This is AskAi app's home interface. This interface contains services and 3 buttons. Total services are 9, and let's go through the services: question answer, keyword generator, grammar correction, translate English to other, content generator, code generator, interview question generator, ad copy generator, product name generator. Let's start with question answer. This page contains 2 input fields and 5 buttons. First input field at the top are for inputting question, and the second input field at the bottom is for showing generated answer. Ask button is for after entering question at the input field, ask button will start generating answer. Listen button will read out generated answer, and mute button will stop reading, and reset button will reset input fields. Let's input first question at the input field. Where is New York? Tap ask. The answer is generated, and if you want to listen this answer, you can tap listen, and it will read out the generated answer. And then if you want to stop listening before finishing it reading, you can tap mute and it will stop. And now if we reset, it will reset input fields. Reset, and go back button will take you to the home page. So let's get to the home page. And next service is keyword generator. Keyword generator, the first input fields is asking to enter text to generate keywords. Okay, let's enter New York is a beautiful city. Generate New York beautiful city, 3 keywords. You should enter a big description, as descriptive as possible, to generate sensible keywords, keyword lists. And this one is the counter. It's showing this generation required, this generation generated 28 words. So this is how a keyword generator. Let's go back. And next one is grammar correction. We can put a grammatically wrong sentence here, and it will correct your sentence. Let's input he are her friend. Correct. He is her friend. This is the correct one. So this is how grammar correction work. Let's get back to the fourth service, translation. To translate, in this first field, we have to enter the language we want to translate to from English text. So this one, I want to input Hindi, and English text is who are you? Tap translates, and this one happens. It translated to Hindi. Go back to home, Next one is content generator. Okay. Enter a genre or category. That means you can input here article, cover letter, story, novel, poem, etc. And second one is the topic or subject. So first one, I want to enter a poem. Let's generate a poem about business. I want this content generator to generate a poem about business. Generate. Okay. It generated a poem about business. You can listen the poem by tapping on listen button, but I want to pass on. Let's get back to the home and code generator. To generate code of any programming language or framework of programming language, we have to enter either programming language name or framework name. So let's enter Laravel. So we want to generate code for Laravel, but what code? So let's enter here controller. We want to create a Laravel controller, but we can input a controller name also. So I will enter post controller. So I want this code generator to generate a Laravel post controller. Generate. Okay, it generated post controller, but the full file is not visible. Here is the end, because the limit of free version is only 200 watt, but it already generated more than 206 watt, and this file contains words more than 200 watt. That's why it's showing incomplete. And the premium version or pro version will generate up to 2000 word. So it will generate full length content, full length code, everything. And 2000 words is more than enough for any full length content. So this code generator generated code very perfectly. Let's get back to the home page again. And next one is question generator. To generate interview question, at the first input field, we have to put a numeric value of how many questions we need or want. So it could be 1 to 100 or 1000 as you need. I will input 2. Okay, I need 2 questions. And about what positions? The field asking enter position for interview. So which position we want the question for? So I will enter teaching position. Teaching. I want interview question for teaching position. Generate. Okay. The generator generated 2 questions about teaching position. I think it's generated very good question. You can try for yourself and see how this works. And okay, let's get back. And next one is add copy generator. Add copy generator contains 3 input fields at the top, and first field is asking for ad platform or media platform. Media platform can be different, like print media, newspaper, magazine, etc. Online media like social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. And YouTube also. So I will input the Facebook. Okay. Next one is asking for the audience for this ad. So audience can be parents, men, women, students, teachers, etc. These groups. So I will enter parents, and this field is for, or third field is for the product description. So my products is Pampers. So that's why I am targeting parents. So soft Pampers for babies. Babies. Generate the generator generated a simple but perfect ad copy in 156 words, and it also includes hash codes, hashtags, and this is perfect according to our input field, because we just inputted a simple sentence, soft Pampers for babies. You can input a more descriptive paragraph describing your products, and that will generate a more effective and a good ad copy. So this is it. Let's get back. Product name generator. This product name generator has two fields, and the first field is asking for enter product description. I will enter product description of the previous service, like soft Pampers for babies. Soft Pampers for babies. Seed keyword. Second field is asking for comma separated seed keywords. So seed keywords can be soft Pampers babies, etc. Okay, generate. The generator generated 10 suggestions about product name: baby soft Pampers, cozy Pampers for babies. You can read them, and you can choose any of them from any of them. Okay, so this is it, product name generator. You can try various description products and see how this app work. Let's go back, and there are three more buttons. How to button will take you to the documentation page of this app, how this works. And upgrade button, let's see upgrade button. This is upgrade button, upgrade page. You can buy subscription. We have 3 subscription: weekly, monthly, yearly. With any of this subscription, you will get up to 2000 words response or content, and 2000 words are more than enough to write or generate any full-length content, full-length code, etc. And this will help us continue developing this app and adding more features. And restore purchases. If you previously purchased any subscription and uninstall or get a new device or mobile and want to restore that subscription, then you will use this restore purchase button, and this will restore your subscription from previous device to new device or existing device with newly installed app. go back. And this one, last but not least, if you like our app and these services are working for you or good for you, or you like our services, please do rate our apps on Google Play Store. And this is it. If you have any question, please send us email or comment under this video. We will try to answer. Thank you for today. See you soon.